The Odisha government is set to introduce a new standard operating procedure for fly ash disposal, focusing on an eco-friendly slurry pipeline system. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Suresh Pujari informed that the move is likely earlier this week, calling it a step towards safer, cleaner practices in thermal power affected areas. Unlike the current truck-based disposal method, the new SOP will prioritize transporting fly ash in slurry form through pipelines, directing it to uninhabited zones. This approach is expected to drastically cut down on environmental and public health risk tied to ash dumping and transit. Consultations with central and state institutions are underway to finalize the strategy. Meanwhile, NLC India Limited has proposed a dedicated fly ash pond at Tadobira, with the district administration urged to act swiftly within a month. Odisha's thermal power generation has taken a toll on districts like Sambalpur, Jharsuguda, Sundargarh and Ongur, where pollution and poor ash management have long troubled communities. The upcoming SOP promises a more sustainable future.
तेणु आश डिस्पोजाल नूतन एसओपी प्रस्तुत हो गलानी सेटा बोधे चलित सप्ताह रिलीज हो एनएलसी जोटा तोलाबिरा आस्पण करने से प्रपोजाल देइछंती से मानकु जिला प्रशासन सहित जोड़ी करी मु परामर्श देछि मासे भितरे दूर जगार स्थान निरूपण कर जो जगार जनबसती नथिबो जो जगार आस्पण भागिले मध्य धन जीवन प्रभावित हेब नहीं।